What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear inside cargo door trim panel on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the back door. All right, just take this trim piece off. We'll just use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. This is connected right here as well. Slide that off. Some of these trim push pins pop out. We'll have to reinstall those afterwards. Take that off, those are clipped in. I'll take this trim piece off. It kind of comes out at an angle like that. It's clipped in on the back side. Same on this side. Just like that. I'll take this panel out, just take a trim tool. Just gonna go around. Pop these trim pieces out. Right there. There's one in right here. There we go. Just go all the way around. Top one's the difficult one. And there's a couple push pins in right there. So sometimes it's easier just to grab it. Pop it out, just use a little force. There we go. Those are locked in right there. It's a wiring harness right here. Disconnect that. It's for the cargo light. Just like that. Oh, and the light right here. There we go. This harness actually goes up to the rear defroster grid. There you go. There's that panel. All right, I'm just gonna take these push clips out. I have this tool that we actually sell at 1aauto.com. It actually works pretty slick. You just slide it in there, pop those out. There's another one right there. All right, for this panel, we'll put these clips back in here. And right there. All right, now we can reconnect this rear defrost. We didn't need to disconnect that, but that's okay. And that should slide in this area. That's actually taped to that. So if you want to retape that and then connect this light back up, just line the connector up, snap it in. And then just line everything up. Once that's lined up, just push it on. Make sure it's all flush with the vehicle. Put this clip back on there. Line this up over here. Line it up down there, and then line the holes up. Lock it in place. Do the same with the other side. All right, we'll take these two clips out. Just use this tool. Slide those out. Put those in the panel. We'll just line the panel up. Line all the push pins up. and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.